Hi guys! Welcome back to Tea Family Cooking Show. Today, I want to show you the easiest and best way to make naan bread at home without yeast. Just follow my naan bread recipe and your naan bread will turn out very soft and delicious, even without using yeast in it. So, let's see how to make it. In my mixing bowl, I will add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 teaspoons of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, water, and bring them together. Please add water gradually until everything is combined well and become slightly sticky dough. Just knead a bit to make sure everything is combined. You don't have to knead too much like when you're making bread. Once you have done all of that, let it rest for 30 minutes. I will divide the dough into 4 pieces. Cover the dough with some flour and roll it out. Not too thin, not too thick. Preheat the pan, and when the pan is hot, just put them in. Grill them until you get the nice brown color on both sides. And it's done. You can enjoy these any way you like. Today we will eat with our chicken masala curry. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And if you need some idea for curries that will go really well with naan bread, or want to learn how to make similar stuff like how to make paratha, check out recipe links in the description. Bye!